How close do you want it? This car here, this Nissan Micra, is none, you'll probably see it. Can you see it? Overall, I'm pretty worried. Hey everyone, and welcome to Sloth Garage. It's currently 5 AM. I'm just waiting for Dan to pick me up, and we're going to be heading down to London to pick up a new car, which you'll know which car by the title and thumbnail. I'm absolutely wrecked, so I do apologise for looking and sounding like an absolute zombie. But let's just get straight into the video. Enjoy. So guys, a bit of a road trip today. I'm up early and I'm off to pick Jacob because we are going to fetch something. It is 4:30 in the morning. What you doing? Just recording me. Here's me like having just a bit of time to myself, and you're there sat there recording.
Yes, we're on the way, everyone. Jake's in the Mardy.
I was in a good mood.
But he's not now.
How are we going to pull with that?
So we're off to London and the sat-nav's in Japanese.
Are you tired of peeling potatoes? Stop!
Unfortunately, we weren't able to get any footage in London of the car. However, this was recorded around about an hour after we arrived home. So here she is in all her glory. It's not an M-Tech, unfortunately. The automatic gearbox and engine are going to be scrapped. We're going to put in something bigger, possibly a 325 or maybe even an M3 engine. But more on that on a later date. But anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See you in a bit. So folks, here we are in the in Monroe. Please ignore this squeaking. It's just character. Yeah, we're currently somewhere in London. The sat nav is saying 3 hours and 43 minutes. There's a fuel station. The only problem being is both our sat-navs say different things. So mine says I'll be home for the bloody mirror, man. Will eventually get started. And my in-car charger stopped working. I don't trust the speedo, if I'm honest, so I'm gonna stick with Waze. We have no idea if it's gonna make it back. And now that the USB charger stopped working, we probably won't make it back. Only time will tell. I have every faith in this car. I have every faith. Hear the tunes, yes. It's not all bad. I've got what came with the car is a bunch of cassettes, which is just brilliant, if I might add. So we've got a bit of Difford and Tilbrook, which is never heard of them. Probably get slated for that. Currently we've got beautiful. I'll do more than 30. So far so good though. Well, let's turn the scene down. The battery's dying rapidly on the GoPro. But so far so good. The car feels absolutely amazing. It really does feel nice. I can feel that it's old, which I suppose is understandable. It's from I'm going to turn right, don't you worry. I suppose that it is understandable, because it is pretty dated. It seems weird. It's an automatic, so it's just a case of I put my foot on the pedal and away I go. You know, bearing in mind, I've never driven an automatic, so... Surprisingly, usually any car I've ever purchased, the tracking's out, but the tracking seems fine. I can't say that about the cigarette lighter though, because that's really going to bug me. It's a case of just got to wait. Bloody hell, tight corner, oh, back end will be going. Bloody hell. This is a machine! This is great! Yeah, not that good on the brakes though. Oh no, my fuel says half a tank. I have no idea how much fuel is in this bloody car. This is very worrying. Has it got no horn? Where's the horn? I have no idea. I don't want to press anything in case I break anything. Oh, the horn's incredible! Wow, I'm loving it. This is so good. Oh, I can feel every movement in the wheel. I can also hear every squeal. Oh, there's a for sale sign saying GGM on it. The brakes, they could do with some work. But one thing I have noticed is that the fuel gauge seems a bit unpredictable. It's changed from below the first, well, the second, not the red line, the one after. It's got up from there, and now it's saying nearly half a tank. Out of the way!
She like me cause I got a big cock.
Oh my god.
You don't like me, you can kick rocks. Hey, headed to the tip top.
Yeah, so sit rep, we're currently approaching Blackwall Tunnel. These mirrors are not the best, I won't say awful, probably the wrong word to describe them. My phone's on 10%, the GoPro's on 10%, so it's very likely that well, before long, there'll be no footage. Overall, I'm pretty worried. Pretty worried. With all that said, I'm quite optimistic that everything's going to be okay.
A few moments later.
This is going to be fun. Oh yeah, thanks! He did flash his hazards, so I'll let him off. That's a big ass oil filter. I don't know if you can see it, maybe you can. That thing there says Volvo. Imagine unscrewing that, you ain't getting that off by hand. This is definitely one benefit to having an automatic. No effort whatsoever. I'm loving it. It's rolling by itself. I love it. This is brilliant. I think I'm converted. I've got plenty of power. Ish. There's a none. There's actually, I don't mean that in any. Oh my god, this is going to be like the worst video ever. This car here, this Nissan Micra, there's a none. You'll probably see it.
They see me rolling.
Can you see it? I'll be honest, I've never saw a nun in person, so hence the excitement. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not enjoying this. Like, if I had... I've got no aircon for starters. The GoPro's dying, my phone's dying. I'm just screwed. I just feel so relaxed. Now if I rewind, then I was stressing out. But yeah, I feel so relaxed. Yeah, anyway, I really am in love. I really am. Admittedly, the steering wheel does squeal anytime, well, any direction you move it in, it squeals. But that just adds a bit of character, doesn't it? Yeah, so the video is a bit all over the place, I will admit that. You know, funnily enough, I've just had a look at the GoPro and we've been recording 50 minutes. So it's took 50 minutes to drive about 20 miles. Oh god, I've got chewing gum stuck on the side now. Bollocks. This is bloody typical. Anyway guys, yeah, if this is the last time you hear from me, then I hope you enjoyed the video. This is going to be a very, very long project, but it's going to be a fun one. If you do want to see more from this car, as well as Mona, which is the Subaru, then be sure to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, not much to say. I'm just, this car's brilliant.